bucks for that. He got $200 for being the highest Hobie finisher. He got first place advantage for $244. And he got a new Hobie Pro Angler Kayak 2011. Norman Walker. Norman, on behalf of all the anglers at Hobie, I want to present you with this certificate for our 2011 Pro Angler. I got your hardware here. First place, Big Red. I need you to answer a very important question for me. What did you catch the Big Red on? Okay. Spinnerbait, very good. And about what time did you start catching fish, and when was it over?
Around 8 o'clock, he caught the Big Red, and he couldn't find any trout, so he moved to a different spot, and he caught his trout late, 11, 12. His last trout was his biggest trout, so he said that was time to go.
Congratulations, my friend. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. Oh, hold on. We got to get a picture with this. Yeah, we got to get a picture of that. Thank you, Lee. I'm sorry. That is fantastic.